So if you're looking for a better way to clean your makeup brushes or your puffs or your beauty blenders, this ImpressionZ cleaner for your brushes is awesome. It's quick drying, it's easy to use, and I'm loving it.
This 8-ounce bottle of cleanser is designed to keep your makeup brushes in top condition. So whether you're using synthetic or natural bristles, the cleaner is gentle but really powerful. It's so important to clean our brushes, and it's really crucial for both makeup application and skin health, because dirty brushes or sponges can cause clogged pores, dull makeup application, and that sort of thing. So we always want to keep our brushes and our puffs nice and fresh and ready to use. I love that it's alcohol free, so there's no harsh smell, and you can clean your brushes as often as you need to without worrying about damaging them. And I've noticed this formula actually keeps my bristles really conditioned, so they're actually softer each time I use it. So after you've dusted the makeup off of your bristles, you're going to spray 3 to 5 sprays onto your brush directly. And then you'll wipe it off onto a clean paper towel or a makeup face cloth or a washcloth. Then you're going to keep repeating until it's all clean and you don't see any more makeup coming off onto the towel. Then once it's all clean, you're going to rinse it off with warm water. And then I love that I have my drying rack here, so I can just stick them in there and they dry super fast. They do recommend pouring the cleaner in a little dish if you have multiple brushes, and then dip them in and clean them that way. One of the main reasons I love this Glide Clean is it doesn't leave an oily residue, so all my brushes remain soft and fluffy after they're dry, just like brand new. So I'm so glad they sent this to me. Now my brushes are all fresh and clean, so go check it out.